i3 KNX is an app that is used both to set KNX Home Server and to control from an interface. It is installed on devices based on Windows, iOS, and Android operation systems. To download the app, go to ereader.com website and open the Download section. Choose Home Server. A distributive for devices based on Windows 7, 8, and 10 is downloaded as a setup. Supported operation systems for Apple devices start with iOS 8 and later. You can download the app from Appstore by following the link. Or you can simply find the name i3 KNX in the App Store. Supported operation systems for Android-based devices start with 4.4 version and later. You can download the app by following the link or by finding the app in Google Play manually.